Already running forward is the likes of Srirang. Look, they have of course Nitin coming forward alongside Srirang. Srirang still at the top. Has the best timing, slightly trailing. More than 3.5 rounds, remember, have to complete it. 4.09 earlier on. They're all inclined together. It shows that the race could be anyone's, at least for now. Arun K in the lead again. You know exactly when this man will take a lead. Just so rightly, you've seen the first lap, not really. 3.5 rounds. Before that, it was this man. The leader of Paxton has 2 rounds. We have one slightly overtaken. Now gets back the lead in his favour. And the race here, Golden Meet and the Exploration Meet. This is quite giving by him. The extra crossing given back is 3.35. Last couple of laps to go. In fact, 1 to go. There is the bell you can hear. A sign of the last lap to go. Arun K is now up the pace, and these athletes now look forward to finish off Arun. There you see the paces slowly and steadily pressing forward. Oh, there is another leader who comes forward here. Bhima Sen Janka. Oh, he's overtaken Arun as they approach the last 100 meters. Look at that pace, which will tell you so much. Bhima Sen Janka, ladies and gentlemen, with an incredible turn in the last 100 meters, will go forward to get the gold medal. What an incredible race for this young boy from Chitalo Vidyalaya.